children, our Karnataka we are learning now. In that Kalburgi division already we learned and Belgavi division we started. In the last class we learned the history of the Belgavi division as well as forest, wildlife, river, natural resources, rivers name, waterfalls name, all that one we learned. Today I taken the topic agriculture and industries. Already I said children, it is rich division as a Mysore. Many rivers are flowing, rivers are there means irrigation facility is there. So, agriculture is in a good condition in Belagavi division. See children, black and red both type of soil is available in the Belagavi division. Then paddy, cotton, maize, pulses, wheat, groundnut, corn, millet, chili, all these crops are grown in the Belagavi division. Number of other cereals, pulses also they are growing. These are the important ones. Then some places are specialized in the particular crop only. For example, Badgi, it is famous for what children? Dry chili. Badgi, it is famous for the dried chili, and Malikpur is famous for the jaggery. Jaggery is famous in the Malikpur. Then, like this way, some places they are famous for that particular crops only. For all these crops, Malaprabha Dam and the Upper Krishna project, that is Almaty Dam, they are providing the irrigation facility to the land channel. Uttar Kannada is the only one coastal line in that fishing is the important occupation, and what type of crops they are growing in the Uttar Kannada district means spices they are growing children, and cashew nut is the important one in Uttar Kannada district. Pepper and other spices also they are growing, but cashew nut is the important crop in the Uttar Kannada district. 80% is covered by the forest only children, and a very little land is there. In that farming they are doing spices only, they are growing more. And Vijaypura, Bagalkot, they are famous for the horticulture crops. Totagarike children. Horticulture universities also there in the Bagalkot. So that climate is the Mediterranean type of climate children. It will be hot in the summer and cold in the winter. That type of climate it is having. So it is suitable for the fruits, citrus fruits you can say, which are rich in the vitamin C. So in Vijaypura and Bagalkot, fruits are growing. That fruits are grapes, pomegranate, orange, sapota and mosambi. These crops of fruits are growing in the Jaipur and Bagalkot. Haveri is famous for the seed production, agriculture. Before farming, farmer has to sow the seeds. So seeds they need. How they are preparing? That production will be there children. Seeds manufacturing product will be there. It will be there. So in the Haveri, through the traditional method, they are manufacturing the seeds. Followed. Then Gudalgudda is famous for the blouse pieces children. They are weaving handmade weavers will be there. Through the hand they are weaving the cloth. Blouse pieces it is. Gudalgudda blouse piece only it is called. So it is famous for the blouse pieces. And Irkal is famous for the granite factories. In the natural resources only I told you that granite stone is available in a plenty. In a huge quantity it is available in the surrounding of the Irkal. So, surrounding of Irkal you will find the number of granite factories. Good quality granite it is. So, it is exporting to the other countries. As grapes are growing, the Bagalkot and Vijaypur children, number of fruits are exporting to the foreign countries. So, fruit processing is there in the Vijayanagar and Bagalkot. Cement factory is also there, as limestone is available. Cement factories there in Bagalkot, and in other places you can see the sugar factory. In Belagavi it is there, in Malikpur is there. Sugar factories also there because sugarcane is also one of the important crop in the Belagavi region. These are the This is about the agriculture and industry of the Belgavi region. Next, I'll move to the art, literature, music, folklore, theatre, and dance. These all you can find in the Belgavi region. That one I will take now. Yes, Dharwad is a home for Hindustani musicians. In Dharwad district, you can see number of singers and musicians. That singers are world famous singers. Bhimsen Joshi, Gangubai Hankar, all this one you take Malika Mansur. These are world famous singers there. They are from the Dharwad district. Very proud to say, no children? Yes. The international popular Hindustani singers, that is Bhimsen Joshi. He used to sing and Sharna used to lecture. He is a Bharat Ratna award. He got the Bharat Ratna award. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Then Pandit Mallikarjun Mansur, Balay Khan. Balay Khan used to use the sitar, used to play chidar, and Vidushi Gangubai Hangal. Then Pandit Venkatesh Kumar, Pandit Basavaraj Rajguru. These are all from the Dharwad district. Then many Kannada ancient poets, for example, Ranna, Kumararasa, Chamarasa, Basavanna, Kanakadasa, Shishnala Sharifa, all are from the Belagavi region. Then Jnanapita awardees, that is Dara Bendre, Chandrasekhar Kambar and Girish Karnad. 3 Jnanapita awardees. Yes, Jnanapita awardees name I will mention, that is Dara Bendre, Chandrasekhar Kambar, Girish Karnad. These are the Jnanapita awardees. In total, Karnataka 8 members got the Jnanapita award. Among that, 3 people are from the Belagavi region. Yes. Then Hukkeri Balappa. These are the he is famous for the Floko song singer. Floko songs he used to sing. Hukkeri Balappa. Then many theatres were there in the Belagavi region. Famous theatres are Badagatittu, Yakshagana, Sannata, Doddata. These are Nataka forms here. Doddata means in the open ground they used to play the Nataka. Sannata means it is in the theatre. Yakshagana is no children. Badagatittu Yakshagana it is called. That one colorfully they are dressing with a lot of makeup and all. That one Yakshagana. It is famous especially in the Uttar Kannada district. These are the forms of the theatre. Art, you can say this one, from the Belagavi region. Next, I will move to the education and the health. Education means it is good, like a Mysore region. Many Jnanapita awards are there. You can see that one children. Number of writers are there from the Belagavi region. So, Dharwad, Belagavi, Vijaypura. These are education centers in the Belagavi region. Karnataka University in Dharwad, Law University in Hubballi, Rani Channamma University in Belagavi, Vishweshwara Technical University in Belagavi, Karnataka State Women's University in Vijaypura, Horticulture University in Bagalkot are there in the Belagavi region. Understood, no children? Number of universities are there. Apart from this, in many places, medical college and engineering colleges also is there. Understood? Other universities means, okay children, medical colleges and engineering college means they need some specialized facilities. Locality it needs, educated people it needs. Then only they can establish the medical college and engineering colleges. Everywhere you will not find these two. If number of medical colleges are there, number of engineering colleges are there, means must think that that city is developed one. Understood? The people are highly educated in that cities. That one only the indication of the medical college and the engineering college. So medical and engineering colleges you find in a number of places like Belgavi, Hubballi, Jaipura, Bagalkote. All these places you can see the medical colleges and engineering colleges. Apart from the government colleges, number of private institutions, Christian institutions also found in the education field. Yes, no children. Now private schools and colleges only more are there. In Hubli only you take. How many private schools are there? Number of few colleges are there. Private colleges are there. It shows the improvement in the education. All these are contributing for the education. And lot of improvement. Education and health are the hand in hand. Every time I used to say, how much man is educated, that much he will be healthy. Why means he will be more conscious about his health. So he know the medical facilities, he know the treatment. So anything wrong means immediately will take the action. Negligence will be not there in the educated people. In the rural people, uneducated people, they will neglect their health. So they will start their remedy only, their treatment only. Like this way, sometimes it will be dangerous for their health. But educated people means they will be more alert. However, the facilities, man is taking the education health facilities also increasing. There is an improvement in the medical also. Nowadays, advanced technology came for the operation. Improved medicines are there. Improved way of giving the treatment is there. Methods of treatment. Everything is improving, children. So when you are getting the improved tablets, improved medicine, improved method of curing the disease and all this, that means definitely people are getting the medical aid and they will be in good health. Because of this reason, now in Belgavi region also, health lot of improvement is there in the health, and death rate is less and the birth rate is high. It shows the improvement in the health. Understood? Yes. This is about the education and health, children. Next is culture heritage is there. Belgavi region has rich cultural heritage, children. It is contributing for the art, literature, music, theatre. All the many musicians are there. Pandit Vincent Joshi, Bharat Ratna awardees, Panchakshari Gawai. Panchakshari Gawai, blind singer is from the Gadag, children. Panchakshari Gawai, heard the word. From birth only is a blind, but famous singer is, and he built this school for the blinds only. Then 3 Jnanapita award it shows the contribution in the literature. Then other cities name I taken, children. Badgi is famous for the dry chili, Malingpur is famous for the jaggery, and Budegunda is famous for the blouse pieces. Vijaypura is famous for the grapes. Ilkal is famous for the granite stone, and Badami, Aivade, Pattalkalu, they are famous for the architecture. They are called cradles of architecture. It is in the World Heritage, children. World famous they are. Then Karwar is famous for the naval base. Indian Navy base is there in the Karwar. So that naval base name is Seabird. Already I told this one. Karwar naval base, Karwar, Seabird, they kept that one. And number of wild animal sanctuaries are there. Then attractive waterfalls are there. Sea beaches are there. Then birthplace of number of rivers. This is all about the cultural heritage of the Belgavi region. Follow, children, what points are right now? Everything you are having in textbook, children. Once or twice you listen the video, underline the things what I explained in your textbook. once or twice you read the textbook, you will understand the lesson. So freedom fighters and the uniqueness of the district is there. I will take that one in the next class. For today's class, I will give the homework. Okay. Yes. For today's session, homework reader. Name the crops of Belagavi region. Name the fruits grown in Vijaypura and Bagalkote. Name the Jnanapita awardees from Belagavi division. Name the ancient Kannada poets from Belagavi division. Name the places which are famous for dried chili and jaggery. This one you have to write. Chili you can write I answer. Yes. This is the homework for today. Freedom fighters and uniqueness of the all the districts I will take in the next class. Okay. Thank you.